All right. First thing you do is you plug in 0, and when you do that, you get 1 minus 1, which is 0 over 0. So hopefully this thing should simplify down some. We just can't use our algebra rules because there's trig in there, and we can't cancel things out the way we do with algebra. So hopefully it simplifies down, which means hopefully I can get one of my special trig functions out of here. So basically the idea is, if you can, just factor it and see what happens. So I'm just going to factor this and see if I can get to one of my special trig limits. Well, the only thing I can do up here is factor out a cosine. So this becomes cosine of x times 1 minus cosine of x. And that's the whole thing over x. Well, right here you can see 1 minus cosine x over x. That's a special trig limit. So we can write this like this. X is going to 0. I can make this cosine x really over 1 times 1 minus cosine x over x. That's the same thing. I just split up the multiplication. And as x goes to 0, this fraction here, cosine x over 1, that just becomes 1 because cosine of 0 is 1. I can just plug into this one. There's nothing wrong with that. That's continuous at 0, so we get 1. Times, when I plug 0 over here, well, I know that as x goes to 0, this fraction becomes 0. That's one of my special rules. And 1 times 0 is 0.